Starter holds the button, gates open, they're up and racing. Elena Spiller slow out. Now back to the leader, Bondi Junction takes the lead, running by the rail, Surprise Call. Tiago moving up on the outside, Versua is in between runners. Then comes My Chemical Romance, followed over by Tremendous Ethan. Then comes Happy Boomer, changing times. Dragon May by the rail is out of time, running alongside the replacement as they come up towards the final 400. Bondi Junction in command. Tiago throwing a challenge on the outside. Bersua and Surprise Call with the last 150 more to run. Bondi Junction, Tiago is by the rail with the last 100 meters. Bondi Junction, Tiago is down on the inside. Tiago, Bondi Junction is on the outside and leading the finish line. It's going to be close between Tiago and Bondi Junction. Then comes Changing Times, number 9, Bersua, Fool's Gold, and number 8, Sugar Mike.